afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for February 23rd, 2017. It's about 18 minutes after the close. Just had a really good session on the gold side, just going over earnings ideas in unusual options activity, takeovers, and the like. Really fun in there. If you get a chance, the gold side is really exciting in there. A little more expensive than the silver. We made a lot of money in there doing all kinds of spreads. Whichever way we can make money, we try to make money in there. So to give you an idea in here, and I'm going to do this first just to show you what I'm talking about. This is signing up to Simpler Stocks. All you have to do is go put in this link right here, and you'll see you could try the gold. And as you see in here, look at the difference between the silver and the gold. On the gold, I'm on 3 times a week on the close, Tuesday through Thursday from 3 to 4. I'm also on every morning on both of them from 9 to 10 in the morning. So definitely keep that in mind. I do a nightly recap video. I do a ton of things in here. The idea in here, though, is a lot of the earnings ideas happen the closer that option activity is to the event. So in this case, a lot of earnings events, the more likely that option activity is going to be important. And we've been just nailing a lot of option deals in here. To let you know the overall idea of what we have on Simpler Stocks is the chat room, like I mentioned, premium video that's a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now, and the email alerts. Those I send out are usually at least 6 futures and index charts every morning or at night. At least 6 stock and chart ideas. These were home runs today, and I'll go over those. Unusual options activity I've actually been posting in the video so I could go over it more comprehensively. You also get in here a meetup, which is a training area. About every other week, I do a class, whether it's on indicators, whether it's on chart patterns. They all go in here. A lot of places charge $99 for each of these. They're all between 20 minutes and 1 hour long. As you see in here, we've done a ton of them. All of those included in your subscription. Now, what I wanted to mention today, I was going to go over how the market did, but I want to show you what we were doing on the opening. Basically in the email alerts, and I want to show this to make it clear. We were talking about the solar stocks. We were talking, now a lot of the things we do, I forgot to mention, we've also added a swing trading video. Every Sunday night I show longer term trades. But remember, I was on the floor for 8 years. I like showing intraday stuff too. To give you an idea on the email alerts, I was showing the solar stocks. Let me just show you. Trade the solar stocks. I didn't show any charts. I showed First Solar and I showed what it did overnight. I showed the group. One of our favorite things to do is watch companion stocks. The idea is if First Solar broke that little bear flag, then a lot of the other groups were going to stocks were going to sell off. To give you an idea, look at the similarity between SPWR on the left on a daily chart and First Solar on the right on a daily chart. Now, you could throw in a lot of them in here. Forget about what happened today. Look at this on First Solar. Look at this on SPWR on the left. Take CSIQ on the left. Massive rally right to fill this area. First Solar filled this area pre-market last night. Actually post-market. The idea in here is if this starts to sell off, the rest of them are keying off the most expensive and the one that had news today. Look what CSIQ did this morning. I'm going to go and show you First Solar on the right, and I'm going to put in 24-hour trading. Extended hours. Then I'm going to show you CSIQ on the left. I'm going to show extended hours. I want you to realize that this is First Solar on the right. This is CSIQ on the left. This is only the last couple hours. Let's take it back. There you go. We were shorting CSIQ at 15. We were like, if First Solar is right here, then CSIQ should go lower. What happened? Within 1 hour, you make a point. You make a point. That's a tremendous return in 1 hour. The key was that First Solar had another leg down. This was a layup short. You immediately made 70 cents in the first 3 minutes. A lot of us cleaned up on that. So that was very exciting. All about companion stocks. Go into here, put in the solar stocks and watch this. It's fascinating. TSL. Now I'll put it on a 5-minute chart. It's easier to see. So you can fit everything. This is a $10 stock, didn't do a lot. JASO, you would have made about 30 cents. SPWR, I showed you a little. EMKR, 50 cents. Genco Solar, $1. SEDG, 70 cents. Even RUN, a $6 stock, you would have made 30 cents. The key in here is you have to know the companion stocks. That's one of my biggest strengths on Simpler Stocks, is to try to show everybody how to find companion stocks, how to trade them, and which one to key off of. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Like I said, I tried to mix it up here just to give you a feel of what we're actually doing in the rooms. Have a great night, and I will talk to you later.